You leave work. It's finally nice out. Windows down, music up, and then... yeah, that one.
We're fine.
You are. Your alignment is not. If your car started pulling, shaking, or just feels a little off after you hit that pothole, you're not the only one. Around Berks County, it happens all the time. So today we're talking about what that pothole actually affected and what's worth checking. I'm here with Alex to break it down.
So a lot of times, people think that a pothole breaks something or it doesn't. But a lot of time, it's not that dramatic. Usually what happens is that something shifts. Your wheel alignment gets knocked out of line, and that affects how you sit on the road. That's when drivers start noticing things like your steering wheel's a little out of line. The wheel is not just sitting quite right, or you feel like your car is just a little off. That doesn't mean something is broken. It just means something's moved. Alignment is not just about comfort. It affects how your car drives every day. When your wheel alignment is off, your tires don't wear evenly, and that can shorten their lifespan a lot faster. It can also make the steering feel less precise in the vehicle. And over time, it can affect your fuel efficiency. So even if it feels like a small issue, that can add up. Catching it early makes it simple.
Why is it like that? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking at.
Me either.
I'm just gonna take this to Myles.
Good call.
So after hitting a pothole, the common thing that people notice is that your vehicle begins to pull. So if you're rolling down the highway on 422, coming through West Reading on Penn Avenue, or if you're out on the back roads near our shop in Fritztown, if the car is drifting slightly to the side, usually that means your alignment is off. Another could be your tire wear is uneven. You might not notice it right away, but over time it shows up. And then there are sounds. If you hear a clunk going over the bumps, that can point to suspension components being affected. Things like your tie rods, your ball joints, they can take the stress from that kind of an impact. Again, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major repair. It just means it's worth taking a look at. In Berks County, this is one of the most common things we see in the spring. Our roads take a beating in the wintertime. Freeze, thaw cycles, road salt, traffic, all of it leads to potholes. So whether you're commuting through Reading, Birdsboro, or over in Sinking Spring, your car is worth dealing with at one of our area locations. You're not the only one in this position. We see it every day here at Myles. So when someone comes in and they say, my car just doesn't feel quite right, we don't jump to conclusions. We check the alignment, we look at your tire wear, we inspect your suspension components, and then we explain what we find. Diagnostics are all about giving you clear answers. What's going on? What needs attention now? What can wait? So you can decide what makes sense.
If your car feels different after hitting a pothole, it's not random. Most of the time it's alignment or minor suspension wear, and it's usually fixable. If you're in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Wyomissing, or surrounding areas, we're here to help you figure it out. Next week, we're talking about fluids, brakes, and getting your car ready for warmer weather. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.